Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll look at a question that involves amounts of substance in moles. This is used to calculate the number of molecules present in a 6-gram sample of nitrogen. It's an A-level chemistry exam question. Details are in the description. Let's get started. Before we get into the question, let's look at the equations that we will need to use. First of all, N is equal to G divided by MR. N is amount of substance in moles. G is mass. I use the letter G as a reminder that this must be measured in grams, and also to distinguish it from the capital letter M used for molar mass, which is measured in grams per mole. We will also use lowercase n is equal to capital N over L. L is Avogadro's constant. You will not need to memorize the value for this, as it will be given to you either on a datasheet or in the exam question. Capital N refers to number of particles. Examples of particles include atoms, molecules, ions, and protons. Here's the question. How many protons are there in 6.0 grams of nitrogen gas? Avogadro's constant, L, is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23 per mole, and we're given a choice of 4 options. To find the molar mass of nitrogen gas, we need to know the formula for nitrogen. I have no bright or clever friends. This is a useful way to memorize most of the important diatomic elements. The diatomic elements exist as molecules of 2 atoms. Iodine, hydrogen, nitrogen, bromine, oxygen, chlorine, and fluorine are diatomic elements. Using the datasheet, we can see that nitrogen has a proton number of 7 and a relative atomic mass of 14.0. There are 2 atoms in each molecule of nitrogen, so the molar mass is 28.0, that is 14.0 multiplied by 2. The mass of nitrogen is given in the question, 6.0 grams. We can work out the amount of nitrogen using mass divided by molar mass. This works out to be 0.214 moles. Next, we can work out the number of nitrogen molecules using the number of molecules is equal to the amount multiplied by Avogadro's number. This works out to be 1.29 times 10 to the 23. There are 7 protons in each atom of nitrogen, so there must be 14 protons in each molecule. We can calculate the number of protons in the sample by multiplying the number of molecules by 14. The correct answer is option C, 1.8 times 10 to the 24. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please post in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Take care and good luck with your studies.